The way I like to think about it is there is sort of passive cooking and active cooking. Passive cooking is like smoking, but basically your product that you're cooking, particularly if it's a big product, it's going to cook a lot more evenly if it comes to temperature nicely, rather than being very cold from the fridge and trying to cook it on a nice high heat. What you want to do is get it out, get it coming up to temperature, get it really slowly, sort of passively cooking with any heat you're generating here. So the beauty thing about this setup here is you've got this nice adjustable gorilla to work on. So even when you're not cooking on it, it's still very useful. So what we would do now, take it right up the top, let it walk away, and then things that you're cooking with, you might sort of put them up here. They'll come to temperature nicely, they'll get a bit of that smoke into them, and whilst you're getting your grills, your cooking space set up, you can have them coming up to temperature nicely. Think about the pieces of equipment that you're going to use, and get ready for hopefully a nice relaxing day out on the grill.